JBL's rolling out a world-class mobile experience that delivers an immersive journey through our premium products and the unparalleled sound JBL has delivered for over 70 years. We transformed a 44-foot Freightliner bus into a touring luxury soundscape for VIPs, invigorating the individuals who live and breathe music with a unique and exciting JBL listening experience.
JBL wanted to have an immersive sound and an epic feel on this luxury high-end bus. So they called Team Unique, and we came up with a nice design that we can customize it for. When this bus came in, it came in as a black Freightliner bus. Once I saw that, I was like, wow, this thing needs to be a billboard for JBL. The process and all the man hours that had to go into this, our team was working around the clock. We had to do some body work, we had to do some paint work. You name it, it's been definitely done on this vehicle.
Leveraging our world-class luxury audio products, we engineered an amazing 2-channel listening room in a dedicated section of the bus, while the main space of the bus is equipped with a combination of our thoroughbred JBL Cardio loudspeakers and Lexicon luxury audio amplification. The main system also features fully automated command and control using software and touch panels from our AMX brand. For consumers and influencers, we re-engineered a shipping container into a pop-up customization experience, allowing visitors to leave with their very own personalized JBL product and merchandise.
JBL came to us with this idea of taking a shipping container, customizing it into a pop-up store. We wound up customizing different doors. We made one whole side drop down, added an awning, we added a sound booth, we added a DJ booth.
Each year, we'll collaborate with our partner artists to create artwork inspired by JBL's wide range of portables and headphones. A shootout booth on the far end will allow visitors to compare JBL sound to competing products to fully demonstrate the superior performance of our products. Finally, DJs will spin for invited guests to experience the limitless capabilities of JBL's premium sound from a custom booth inspired by the Charge 3.
I think it's great that JBL came through with doing such a big project. A lot of companies shy away from doing stuff like this. It's going to be great to see this thing all over the country.
This has been a great experience. I want to thank JBL for giving Team Unique the opportunity to work with great designers, great programmers. It gave us a really open canvas to do what we wanted to do, and that's the best thing when you're an artist.
All of it works toward pushing our brand forward to new heights and experiences, amplifying how JBL comes to life on the ground in a spontaneous and unforgettable way.